웃고 불며 너의 옷 타락잡에 손목에 만진 너의 눈빛. 'Cause I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view. 어쩔 수 없어, you can't change your mind.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adobe Okonkwo, and in today's video I am going to be sharing a day in the life, or work and school day in the life, because I have my GA work thing going on today. I also have to go for my wax appointment later in the evening. Hopefully they do not cancel, because they always cancel and move it to the another time, but today there's no flexibility. If they call me to tell me they want to move it, I'll tell them to cancel it. That said, I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, and just building my career, and today I'll be sharing a little glimpse of me going to school, but it's going to be online, and then doing some work and also going for my wax appointment. I have a lot of stuff to do. I was just pushing it in the weekend that I'll do it during weekend came. I just pushed it again that I was going to do it this Monday, because Monday is usually a little bit lax for me because I blocked it, the whole of it, out for my graduate assistantship work, and the actual meeting is just 1 hour, and then I use the subsequent hours to do some actual work for the job. Yeah, I think I've rambled enough. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe before going, like and share this video, because it really helps my channel. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'm halfway there. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but anything is possible, so make sure you subscribe. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.
I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view. 어쩔 수 없어, you can't change your mind. It's the things you chose to do. Countless nights been crying over you, but you never came through. Yeah, you never did. Yeah, you never did. Never did. Yeah, you never came through. 이제 와서 뭘 바래 우리의 추억은.
So this is outfit of the day. I decided to wear my red wig. I don't know, it might be too distracting for the online class. I feel red today, so that's what I'm wearing. And then I'm wearing this shirt from school and some biker shorts, and of course some socks because it's really cold now. Let's go set up my table for work.
생각하기 싫은 기억 이젠 됐어 그만해. 우리 그냥 추억을 마음속에 담아두자. I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view. 맘을 버렸어, there's no going back, going back. It's the things you chose to do. Countless nights been crying over you, but you never came through.
I was playing around with some of the data that I was supposed to work on. I am going to go ahead and make my to-do list, and for that I like to use my OneNote because that's where everything is. I have a whole folder called to-do.
Yeah, you never did. Yeah, you never did. Never did. Yeah, you never came through. 'Cause I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view. You know what you did and you despise yourself.
My baby! My baby! My baby!
Why'd I have so much to prove? I wasted time spent thinking of you, but you never came through. Yeah, you never did. Yeah, you never did. Never did. Yeah, you never came through.
Can you hear me?
I didn't quite catch that. Could you please say that again?
Okay, so I'm going to turn on my laptop. I need to get a separate webcam for my monitor. Hi. Oh, it's going well, just hanging in there. Oh, I haven't read it yet. I wanted to use, so I woke up really early today. I wanted to read it, but somehow I just like caught up with other stuff. So I'm going to read it today. I have some time after the class, after my meeting after the class, to read it. I'll ping you if I discover anything. I took a glimpse at it and it's a lot of, I saw like some customer life cycle. Where is it? I'm sorry, I'm just pulling it up. Oh, willingness to pay. So there's a life cycle-ish to it. Like when I saw it, I was like, okay, this looks like a customer life cycle value or something. So I just had a very quick meeting with my study partner for my pricing strategy. I am so right now I'm just pretty much trying to analyze my survey data. I need to make sure that I'm doing the right thing though, so I'm just gonna go back and
crown, that's a jam.
I am currently in my first class of the day. I should actually close my camera, but the class has started. I don't know how else to show you guys, but I hope you guys can. So let me just summarize the case. I just finished reading. So it's a textile company. They are currently pricing at $4, or they're trying to figure out how much they should price. Their significant competitor is charging $3. So that puts them in a prisoner's dilemma. Should they go low? Should they go to $3? Should they charge $3 the same as their competitor? But if they do that, there's a potential that their competitor will go lower than $3. But according to the case, they said that's slightly unlikely. Exactly, that's what I was thinking as well. My thoughts would be for them to charge at $3, but when I'm looking at their cost, it's like one higher more, so that would mean that they would have to find some cost advantage. So, but it's just like 1 cent, 3.3 to produce another. And the consumers, they mentioned that the consumers are very price sensitive. So, I mean, those are like just justification for $3. But do you guys agree? Or what do you think? We have 9 seconds more. So in my head, I was thinking that if we're charging at $4 and looking at the past data from 1990, shouldn't we be multiplying it by the sales volume for that price, which is 150,000 instead of 75,000? So my class just finished. I have a meeting in the next few minutes. Yeah, in a few minutes I have a meeting, and then right after the meeting I want to go get groceries, beans and stuff. So, but I have to book my flight for my passport renewal, which is on the 2nd of January, which is just, I don't know, crazy, but I'll see you guys. This one, I think it's cute. Let's see. It actually feels flimsy, not as strong. But never judge a book by its cover. And it smells. Ugh. Hey guys, so my next meeting, this is for my GA, is about to happen, and I believe I have everything set. I just need to figure out how to return this case. It's just stupid. Like the case didn't even come in the package itself. It was just the package itself that they wrapped. Like in their brain, I'm like, what were you thinking? Now nothing was gonna happen to it. They didn't even put it in a bubble wrap, you know. So that was annoying.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you? I'm freezing today, actually, a matter of fact.
Yeah.
I like all of a sudden the cold weather.
Yep. I feel exactly the same way. I'm like with my blankets, with the socks on. Yeah, it's
We're bundled up.
yeah. Winter
How are
is
you?
here. I am very fine. I don't know. I just today's the week just started, but I feel really good about the week.
I love that. And that it's a Monday, so the way, that can set a good tone. That's awesome. And I'm happy you feel that way, because sometimes
Yeah, I wouldn't be too excited though, because most events, like 28 people will say they will come and then it ends up just being
10
20.
show.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
but it's good that we actually got 28, so at least 15 people should show up. One thing I wanted to ask you was, coincidentally, so this is the thing, because Forte is not technically a club. When we host events, we don't go through NBA clubs, because you know we're not a club, so we host it like independently. So sometimes, out of the blue, another club that is an actual club under the NBAA will set up an event during our own time. So
Got it.
for our 11th event, the Veterans Club is currently having something for that same date, same time. But I don't know, and my hypothesis is that there are not a lot of women that are veterans, so it will be more geared towards the men than the women. And if we can get at least 10 people or 15 people in attendance for a focus group, that's really good. So I wouldn't be too worried, but I wanted to clarify with you before just telling Aditi that we're pushing forward, because again, it was a whole hassle trying to get a room. We haven't figured out how to get a room yet, so I'm like, okay.
No, I think we just keep moving ahead. I know we have a few military veterans, and even if you get someone that maybe reaches out with some communication saying, hey,
Meeting with my manager for my GA role, that went well. I don't think I have any next steps from my end. Everything is rolling on fine. I need to complete this return, so I would ask them to call me now.
Hi, welcome to Amazon customer service. I'm here to help you. First by finding your account, then
Alright, so I'm gonna take a break and quickly go and get groceries. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get back.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking.
I think I'm inappropriately dressed for this trip.
I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when.
By the way, guys, so before now, I usually would go to a Nigerian restaurant, Nigerian store to buy my groceries. But ever since I discovered this Asian spot for my groceries, I've been going there ever since then. But should I have just waited till Saturday? No, this is the beginning of the week, and there's literally no food, so I need to go and get them.
Stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest.
Sun Foods over there, and oh, the logo is also showing here where I didn't see it. But yeah, I'm gonna just in and out. I know that's live, but we'll see how it goes today. See you once I get in.
This time will not be the same. It's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been just not all on my own when I should make my way out. It's still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it up. Fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight.
So I just got home and it's 2:35. I'm gonna try to use some time.
And it's about time that I get. I stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop on stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess.
Enter my one of the last meetings that I have for today. Hi, it's going very well. How are you?
Good. Sorry I'm a little bit late. I was just actually having a little connect conversation with Bryony that ran a little bit long. But I love your new hair. That's so cool.
Thank you.
So she's my fiance. So that's awesome.
Wait, I thought you were
And then
actually
we
married before now. I thought you guys were already married.
How are you?
Oh, hi. Hi. I'm very well. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you.
How do you pronounce your name? Kengo, right?
Kengo. Yes.
Nice. Where are you
Yes.
from? That sounds Italian or not?
Italian? Oh, I appreciate that. I know I'm half Japanese. I'm
Oh.
half Japanese, half German.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
German Norwegian. Yeah.
I was like, after the event, I was like, you know what? I can give you a ride. And then we said, I thought it was just 16 minutes. Oh my goodness. I drove and drove. There was now traffic, so it made it really bad.
It's basically Wisconsin, so
Yeah.
really a little bit of like what's in my introduction. I had worked in politics for a long time, and not finding pleasure in what had normally provided enjoyment and escape. So
And they loved my Who I Am story. So I'm gonna keep working at this, but I need to go finish up what I was cooking, or cook a little bit of it and then head out for a wax appointment, which is at 6:30. But the place is just a few minutes away, so I am not doing anything major. Oh, this red hair is so fine.
The beans?
Not yet, man.
No.
They liked my Who I Am story.
Who I am? Which one? Like you did one for your grandpa, you did one for
The school one.
Oh.
8 AM, I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get.
Got back from my wax appointment. It was so painful, and I think it's because it's been a while since I last did it. But ready, well, not almost, somewhat ready. I stopped by and got boba. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge to sit. I want to eat it with the rice. I'm gonna go up and try to finish up my data analysis, because I don't want to be doing this shit tomorrow morning, or I wake up early tomorrow morning and knock it out home. I'm gonna go try and see if I can make progress on it and share with my team members, and also share Who I Am story with my team members. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If I don't continue filming, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it enough to subscribe and join the family. So give this video a like, share with your friends, and most importantly, comment on my channel or comment on this video. What's your favorite part of the video for today? And because it really does help my channel. Until my next one, guys, stay safe. Bye.